Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Edge Studio. I'm your host, Emma, and today we have an exciting topic, sports.
That's right. Sports are such a big part of life for many people. Whether you play them, watch them, or just talk about them, sports bring people together.
Totally agree, Jack. So let's start simple. What's your favorite sport?
That's a tough question. I think my favorite sport is football, or soccer, as some people call it. I've been playing since I was a kid.
Ah, soccer. It's one of the most popular sports in the world. Why do you like it so much?
Well, I love the teamwork, the excitement, and the strategy. Every game is different. Plus, it keeps me fit and healthy. What about you, Emma? What's your favorite sport?
I really enjoy tennis. I love watching it and playing it with my friends. It's challenging, but fun, and it helps me stay active.
Tennis is great. Who's your favorite tennis player?
I'd say Serena Williams. She's strong, confident, and truly inspiring. What about you? Who's your favorite football player?
That's easy. Lionel Messi. He's not just talented, he's also humble and hardworking. I admire that a lot.
Yeah, Messi is amazing. So, do you play football regularly?
Yes, I play every weekend with my friends at a local field. Sometimes we even organize small tournaments.
That sounds fun. I usually played tennis on weekends too. Sports are such a good way to stay active and make new friends.
Exactly. And they teach you teamwork, discipline, and patience.
Speaking of teamwork, which do you prefer? Team sports or individual sports?
I think I prefer team sports because you get to work with others, communicate, and celebrate victories together. How about you, Emma?
I prefer individual sports like tennis or swimming because I can focus on improving myself, but I do enjoy watching team sports.
That's fair. Different people enjoy different styles. Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, especially during big events like the Olympics or the World Cup. The energy and passion are incredible.
Same here. The World Cup brings people from all over the world together. It's more than just a game. It's a celebration.
True. And, sports also play a big role in health. They help reduce stress, improve mood, and keep us fit.
Exactly. I always feel better after exercising or playing a match. It clears my mind.
By the way, what do you think about esports, video game competitions?
Good question. I think esports are real sports too. They require skill, focus, and teamwork, just like physical sports.
I agree. The only difference is that you compete with your mind and reflexes more than your body.
Right, and many young people love esports nowadays. It's a whole new world of competition.
Totally. Oh, and have you ever tried any extreme sports like skydiving or surfing?
Not yet. I'd love to try surfing someday, though. It looks thrilling. What about you?
I tried rock climbing once, and it was both scary and exciting. It really pushed me to face my fears.
Wow, that's brave. Sports can also teach us courage, don't you think?
Absolutely. Sports help us learn about perseverance, confidence, and teamwork.
Speaking of that, which do you think is more important? Winning or participating?
Oh, definitely participating. Winning feels great, but the real value is in the experience, effort, and lessons we learn.
I couldn't agree more. The spirit of sportsmanship is what truly matters.
Exactly. And that's why sports are such an important part of education, too.
Yes, students learn leadership, cooperation, and how to handle failure, all through sports.
Well said. Before we wrap up, let's share some sports vocabulary for our listeners. 1. Athlete, a person who plays sports. 2. Teamwork, working together to achieve a goal. 3. Champion, the winner of a competition. 4. Practice, to train or prepare for something. 5. Tournament, a series of games to find a winner. 6. Referee, a person who controls the game. 7. Score, the points achieved in a game. 8. Equipment, items needed for a sport. Example, racket, ball. 9. Spectator, someone who watches a sport. 10. Injury, physical damage from playing sports.
Great vocabulary. I hope our listeners found this episode useful and fun.
Yes! Remember, everyone, keep practicing English and maybe even talk about your favorite sports in English with your friends.
That's right. Thanks for listening to English Edge Studio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations.
See you next time. Stay active and keep speaking English.